as we all know that Apple will be launching their next iPhone very soon. Therefore, I brought some of the most genuine leaks that are roaming around the internet. Hello there, welcome to the channel, All You Know. And today in this video, I will tell you some of the genuine leaks and prices that are found on the internet today. So let's get started. Consensus is growing regarding Apple's biggest iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Pro upgrades, but one area of contention continues: pricing. While fears remain that Apple will increase prices for all iPhone 15 models, the latest leak is bad news for anyone interested in Apple's flagship model. According to a leaked report seen by Apple Insider, influential Haitong international securities tech analyst Jeff Pu reveals that the iPhone 15 Pro Max will be the most expensive iPhone Apple has ever released. Pu doesn't name a price, but rises of up to $200 have been rumored for iPhone 15 Pro models for some time. For the iPhone 15 Pro Max, this would mean a price breakdown as follows: iPhone 15 Pro Max, 128 GB, $1,299. iPhone 15 Pro Max, 256 GB, $1,399. iPhone 15 Pro Max, 512 GB, $1,599. iPhone 15 Pro Max, 1 TB, $1,799. While these prices may shock, U.S. buyers have gotten off lightly in recent years thanks to the strength of the dollar, but worldwide inflation has resulted in multiple price hikes for international buyers in recent years, and increases domestically were inevitable sooner rather than later. International buyers may also be hit again. Pu's report aligns with similar information from Wedbush analyst Dan Ives, who told CNBC last month that the average selling price for next-gen iPhones will increase. Like Pu, Ives didn't provide specific pricing, so it is unclear whether prices will increase across the range or be limited to Pro models. According to my sources, both iPhone 15 Pro models are likely to see increases as Apple continues its broader product strategy of widening the gap between its Pro and non-Pro devices. Their move to a leaked titanium chassis will be a factor, while the iPhone 15 Pro Max will exclusively feature a new periscopic optical zoom lens, a long-awaited feature too thick to fit inside the smaller Pro. Beyond pricing, Pu adds that he expects the iPhone 15 range to begin mass production in August, with 84 million units produced during 2023. Despite still being the subject of rumors, the iPhone 15 range has already come in for criticism for being too mediocre of an upgrade. This is because the iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Plus are expected to do little more than copy the iPhone 14 Pro and Pro Max dynamic island design and adopt their A16 chipset and 48-megapixel primary camera. There will be bigger upgrades for the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max with the titanium chassis, super thin bezels, upgraded UWB, a next-gen 3 NMA17 chipset, and a customizable solid-state action button that replaces the mute switch. All iPhone 15 models will also adopt USB-C. Will the combination of modest upgrades and higher prices be enough to put off potential upgraders? Given that similar accusations were made of the iPhone 14 range last year and phones still flew off shop shelves, I suspect not. That said, Apple may be a little more ambitious in 2024. That's all the news for today. If you have any suggestions or queries regarding iPhones, do let us know in the comments section below. And if you are pleased listening to me, then please consider giving it a thumbs up, sharing this video with your friends, and subscribing to our channel. This motivates me to bring updates about new technologies and gadgets.